In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare. We'll walk through how to turn off Cloudflare's proxy for specific DNS records, and then how to pause Cloudflare for an entire domain. I'll also share what each change means so you know exactly what to expect. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard and head to the Domains section. From there, select the domain you want to work on. This takes you to the overview for that site. Next, open the DNS area, then go into Records. You'll see a list of your DNS records, like A, Hoetawaye, or CNAME. Find the record you want to stop proxying through Cloudflare and click Edit next to it. In the Edit view, look for Proxy Status. Switch this from proxy to DNS only. When you save, traffic to that specific host name will bypass Cloudflare entirely and go straight to your origin server. In practice, this disables Cloudflare's firewall and CDN caching for that record, removes features like DDoS protection and performance optimizations on that host name, and may expose your server's IP to the public internet. That's expected. Just make sure your origin is ready to accept direct traffic and that any server-level firewall or rate limiting you rely on is configured. A quick tip on timing: DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate. If the record's TTL is high, it may take longer for everyone to see the change. During this period, some visitors may still hit the cache path while others go direct. If you need to disable Cloudflare more broadly, you can pause it for the entire domain. Go back to your list of domains, open the menu for the domain, and choose Pause Cloudflare. Confirm by clicking Pause. This action turns off Cloudflare's proxying and security features zone-wide, but Cloudflare will continue to serve your DNS so your domain still resolves. Because this affects the whole site, be ready for the performance and protection features to stop across all host names, and ensure your origin infrastructure can handle the direct load. A couple of considerations as you test. If you were using Cloudflare for SSL termination, switching to DNS only means clients will negotiate TLS directly with your server. Make sure your certificates are valid and your server is set to handle HTTPS properly. Also, any page rules, caching, or workers tied to the proxied path won't apply while paused or set to DNS only. That's it. You've learned how to disable Cloudflare for individual records by setting proxy status to DNS only, and how to pause Cloudflare for an entire domain. Give changes a few minutes, verify your site loads as expected, and you're all set.